In this video, we'll teach you how to withdraw money from Rainbet. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click the green wallet icon in the top of the page, and right here you need to select withdraw. Then you need to choose the method. You can withdraw the cryptocurrency or you can use the banking function and transfer your money to your bank account. So for example, if you want to withdraw your money to your crypto wallet, you need to choose the currency, for example USDT. Then you need to choose the network, for example TRC20, and keep in mind that if you choose TRC20, you need to take TRC20 USDT wallet address from the exchange. Then you need to enter the TRC wallet address, just copy it from your crypto wallet, and right here you need to enter the amount of money you are withdrawing from Rainbet, and then click the withdraw button. So this is how you can withdraw the cryptocurrency, and if you want the banking method, you can click, for example, interact right here, and then you need to switch dollars to Canadian dollars because it only supports Canadian dollars. Click on this, and then you need to choose the amount of money you are withdrawing from Rainbet in Canadian dollars, for example 50 Canadian dollars. Enter your first name, last name, email address and phone number, and click withdraw. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.